Picture this. Diving into the world of microgreens is like embarking on a miniature gardening adventure. You'll need some trays, soil, or a soil substitute if you're feeling fancy, and of course, those tiny seeds bursting with potential. Now, let's talk nutrients. These little greens pack a punch. Think vitamins A, C, and K, plus a healthy dose of iron and antioxidants. It's like nature's way of saying, here, have some goodness in every bite. So grab your watering can. Sprinkle some love and water on those sprouts and watch them grow into a pint-sized powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. Voila, microgreens magic in the making. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Sure, let's dive into the wonderful world of microgreens gardening. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to grow various types of microgreens step by step. Step 1. Gather your materials before you begin. Make sure you have all the necessary materials on hand. You'll need trays or containers. Choose shallow trays or containers with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Growing medium. Opt for a soilless mix or a lightweight potting mix to provide adequate drainage and support for the tiny roots. Seeds. Select high-quality seeds specifically labeled for microgreens. Popular varieties include broccoli, radish pea, sunflower, and kale. Watering can or spray bottle. For gentle watering without disturbing the delicate seedlings. Light source. Position your trays near a bright, indirect light source, such as a sunny windowsill or grow lights. Optional. Humidity dome or plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse effect, enhancing germination. Step 2. Prepare your growing trays. Fill your trays with the growing medium, leaving about ½ inch of space below the rim. Gently tamp down the soil to create a smooth, level surface. Water the soil lightly to moisten it evenly, but avoid saturating it. Step 3. Sow the seeds evenly. Sprinkle the seeds over the surface of the soil, aiming for approximately 10 to 15 seeds per square inch. For smaller seeds like broccoli or radish, you can scatter them more densely, while larger seeds like sunflower may require more spacing. Step 4. Cover and water. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil or vermiculite to anchor them in place. Mist the surface with water using a spray bottle to settle the seeds without disturbing them. If using a humidity dome or plastic wrap, cover the trays to create a moist environment conducive to germination. Step 5. Provide proper lighting. Place your trays in a location with ample natural or artificial light. Ideally, microgreens require around 12 to 16 hours of bright, indirect light per day for optimal growth. If using grow lights, position them a few inches above the trays and adjust the height as the seedlings grow. Step 6. Monitor and water regularly. Check your trays daily to ensure the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. Water gently as needed, using a watering can or spray bottle to avoid disturbing the delicate seedlings. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist throughout the growing process. Step 7. Watch for germination. Within a few days, you should start to see the seeds germinate and tiny seedlings emerge from the soil. Continue to monitor the trays closely, ensuring they receive adequate light and moisture to support healthy growth. Step 8. Thin if necessary. As the seedlings grow, they may become crowded, especially if you've sown the seeds densely. If needed, thin out the seedlings by carefully snipping them with scissors at the soil level, leaving the strongest and healthiest plants spaced evenly. Step 9. Harvest your microgreens. Once the seedlings have developed their first set of true leaves and reached a height of 1 to 3 inches, they're ready to harvest. Use clean scissors or a sharp knife to cut the microgreens just above the soil level. Rinse them gently under cool water to remove any soil particles, then pat them dry with paper towels. Step 10. Enjoy your homegrown bounty. Congratulations, you've successfully grown your own microgreens. Add them to salads, sandwiches, soups, or smoothies for a burst of fresh flavor and nutritional goodness. Experiment with different varieties and combinations to discover your favorite microgreen creations. Remember, growing microgreens is a fun and rewarding experience that allows you to enjoy fresh, nutrient-packed greens right from your own kitchen. With a little patience, care, and attention to detail, you'll be harvesting delicious microgreens in no time. Absolutely. In addition to providing valuable content, it's essential to engage with your audience and encourage them to interact with your video. Here's how you can emphasize the importance of liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. At your channel name, we strive to create informative and engaging content to help you on your microgreen growing journey. Your support means the world to us, and there are several ways you can show your appreciation and help our channel grow. 1. Like if you found this video helpful or enjoyable. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Liking the video not only shows your support, but also helps boost its visibility to a wider audience. 2. Share. Spread the knowledge by sharing this video with your friends, family, and fellow gardening enthusiasts. Whether it's through social media, email, or word of mouth, sharing our content helps us reach more people who can benefit from our tips and advice. 3. Comment. We love hearing from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments section below. Your feedback not only helps us improve our content, but also fosters a sense of community among our viewers. 4. Subscribe. Stay updated on all our latest videos by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Subscribing not only ensures you never miss a new upload, but also helps us reach our goal of growing our audience and spreading the joy of microgreens gardening. By liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing, you're not just supporting our channel, you're actively contributing to the growth and success of our microgreens gardening community. Together, let's cultivate a greener, healthier world, one microgreen at a time. Thank you for your support.